So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Rich Haircut Professional. So again we today going to be discuss about most trendable haircut which called bottom layer haircut. And that is a comes in something like good potentials which is can giving to the prettiest ambience towards the client, and it will be hair, it will be carrying forward its below shoulder to shoulder length and looking like unique levels, and it will be haircut was completely significant looks as bringing out of it after the haircuts. Face ambiances looks so good, and a lot more things you're willing to see after the haircut, and also is before the presentation. As of now you'll see that very well about the haircut. And this before started to the haircut, I would like to request all of you, if you're really new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends, and do like the video. I'll bring every time with such a content and each and every times. So all the sections got separated, and the back section also is going to be separating now. And after that I'm just explaining you help up to the comb, the side by side, and the back side, the one portion is as to the single base. So and just before starting to the bottom layers, I'm just giving to the one length basic haircut that is very much needed for complete up carry forward to the bottom layers. So that can be give something like base fundamental. So just basic things, and very damaged part I'm just going to trim the bottom, and after that I'm starting to the bottom layers. So if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I every time to bring such different and new concept of the video. And let me know in the comments below how was the previous video and present video, and if you have any questions and queries, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely look it forward and definitely I'll answer to that too. So the back portions, it will be going to finish off one length basic. After that we have started to add the layers. The center profile I picked, the first section. I'm just going to be add the layers step by step. After that I distributed the both the side the guidelines, and just pivoting section and picking step by step thin section and carrying forward the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair merging in the bottom layers. As thin sections. Make sure that when you start the bottom layers hairs, it will be thin section parallelly. You can just distribute the guideline, you will see the awesome results. And pick from how much possible the thin section, pick it as thin section as much. So then you can just see the proper finishing of the layers, and the tiny layers you can just see in the fine layer. It looks so pretty in the end of the day. So that can be give something good atmosphere and good ambience on the face, and the layer also to be flow like perfectly neat and clean, and the visible also is very clean and perfect as well. So this is a concept bottom layer haircut, and that will be every time it will be give something boosting on the haircuts and look so clean and neat finishing end of the day. So one side is going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking. And after that I'll start to another side. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. The same stationary guideline picked, and rest of the hair One more section I picked. I'm going to be merging in the layers. After that last section I'm just going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking. So finally we'll come to the side portion. Before start the layer, I'm just giving to the one line basic. After that I'll just start to the layering. Stationary guideline pick from the back and rest of they are going to be merged in the bottom layers. Step by step, and this time vertical section we're just carrying. The last section is going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking. And after that I'll come to another side. Before start the layer, as it is going on the one line basic. The stationary guideline picked from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. Step by step, thin section I'm just picking. Last one section is going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking. So both the side is got complete, and small fringes I'm just going to be add. The cut got finished. I'm just going to be start the blow dry. Before that I'm just showing the messy layers. and after that I'm start with the blow dry. After that I come to another side. After that I come to another side. The crown 2 section is going to be start now. After that, the front last section going to finish the blow dry. So you can just see completely the bouncy and flush blushy finishing and looking was more voluminous, and front sides you can just see the unique level up to the visible of the bottom layers. So that is the concept after the complete of the unique technique of the bottom layers. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't follow my Facebook and Instagram page, link mentioned in the description below, please go and check it there. And also my affiliate program also will be there, you can just check it out there. So after the hair complete of the blow dry, just going to be start the texture. The texture will be a last finishing going to be finish it up, and that will be a complete of fulfilling of the haircut techniques, and after this will be complete of the haircut will be finished. Hope you all are understand. And this is a complete of the haircut called, which is called the bottom layers, and is one of the easiest technique of the bottom layer haircut. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely look forward. And if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the last finishing. Hope you all are enjoyed the video. We'll be meet up to the next video with a different concept. Until, take care and be safe.